The Schluter KERDI-LINE is a low-profile linear shower drain specifically designed for bonded waterproofing assemblies. KERDI-LINE can be installed adjacent to walls or at intermediate locations in showers, wet rooms, and other applications that require waterproofing and drainage. Let's take a look at what's provided in the drain flange box. A channel body with integrated waterproofing. A template as a guide for core hole size. A channel support. A no-hub coupler. KERDI Carrick inside and outside corners. And KERDI Seal PS and MV pipe and mixing valve seals. The grate assembly is sold separately. KERDI-LINE can be used with either a mortar base or the Schluter KERDI-SHOWER-LT and LTS prefabricated shower trays. Let's take a look at how to install the KERDI-LINE. All plumbing connections should be made by a qualified person in accordance with local building and fire codes effective in your region. Pre-construction meetings have taken place, and the workflow established between the plumber and tile installer. The plumber will begin the work. The core hole has been prepared in the concrete, and the plumbing is in place and secured. It is critical to maintain a core hole size that will ensure proper support of the tile assembly. Limit the diameter of the hole to 5 inches maximum. A larger hole can lead to lack of support and damage the tile assembly. This installation assumes that there is access to the plumbing from below. We will demonstrate a no-access example later in this video. Dry fit the channel support and trace for accuracy in the next steps. The channel support is used to establish the appropriate elevation of the KERDI-LINE. Make sure the surface is clean and free of debris. Attach the no-hub coupler to the KERDI-LINE drain outlet as per the coupling manufacturer's instructions. Apply a generous bead of KERDI Fix to the top of the channel support. This will ensure the KERDI Fix spreads during embedding and provides proper coverage. Keep in mind the additional space on the front side of the channel support so that it remains free of KERDI Fix. Apply KERDI Fix to the underside of the channel support. Set the KERDI-LINE. And firmly embed onto the substrate. From below, secure the no-hub coupler to the plumbing. Check the drain for level. Please note that the use of KERDI Fix in this manner limits the ability to level the channel body during installation. A cover can be placed over the KERDI-LINE to protect the drain flange from the other trades before the tile setter's portion of the work can begin. We created a construction cover on site. When there is no access to the plumbing from below, the process is as follows. Dry fit the KERDI-LINE channel body with the channel support. Measure and cut a section of pipe to connect KERDI-LINE to the odor trap below the floor. Attach the no-hub coupler to the drain outlet, as per the coupling manufacturer's instructions. Assemble the components and verify the fit. Apply a generous bead of KERDI Fix to the top of the channel support and press it firmly under the underside of the channel body. Apply another generous bead of KERDI Fix to the underside of the channel support. Secure the cut section of pipe to the no-hub coupler. Prepare the odor trap and cut section of pipe with cleaner, primer, and ABS or PVC cement, per the solvent cement manufacturer's instructions. Connect the assembly to the waistline and firmly embed in the adhesive. The tile installer will resume work on the shower assembly. Prepare the shower tray to be installed around the KERDI-LINE channel body. Dry fit the shower tray. It can be helpful to mark around the tray as a guide for the thin-set mortar application. Make sure the surface is clean and free of debris. The KERDI-SHOWER-LT tray can now be installed. Apply any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar to the substrate using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch or 3/8 by 3/8 square or U-notch trowel. Set the shower tray and solidly embed into the thin-set mortar. Next, install the KERDI Board SC shower curbs in the same manner as previously demonstrated with the shower tray. Make sure to apply thin-set mortar to all points of contact. The waterproofing connections can now be made using KERDI waterproofing accessories in conjunction with thin-set mortar. The installation is now complete. Schluter KERDI-LINE can be connected with or without access in commercial applications easily to ensure success and make shower installation easier than ever. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.